Hello guys, it's the second unit of OBG part B. Now we are going to see the joints of pelvic. There are 4 types of joint in the pelvic. The first one is sacroiliac joint. There are 2 sacroiliac joint which is present in between sacrum and the iliac bone. And this bone is the strongest bone in the pelvic region. And the second one is sacrococcygeal joint. There is one sacrococcygeal joint which is present in between sacrum and the coccyx. And the third is symphysis pubis joint. There is one symphysis pubis joint present in between 2 pubis bone. And the fourth one is lumbosacral joint. And this joint is present in between sacrum and the L5 bone, that is lumbar bone. Lumbar bone is present in the spinal cord. In the spinal cord to the L5th bone, sacrum is attached and that joint is called as lumbosacral joint. And there is one lumbosacral joint. These are the joints of the pelvic. There are 4 joints, namely sacroiliac joint, 2 sacroiliac joint, 1 sacrococcygeal joint, 1 symphysis pubis joint and 1 lumbosacral joint. These are the 4 joints. Ligaments of the pelvic. Before knowing the ligaments of the pelvic, you need to know what is ligaments. Okay? Ligaments are the connective tissues which hold 2 bones together in its position. Those are ligaments. Now what are their types present in pelvic? First is sacroiliac ligament, and it is named as sacroiliac ligament because it is present in between sacrum and the iliac bone. That is why it is called sacroiliac ligament. Next, sacrospinous ligament. It is sacrospinous ligament and it connects spine and ischium. And this ligament is projected from the lateral surface of the sacrum and coccyx. What is sacrospinous? It is the ligament which joins spine and the ischium, which is laterally projected from sacrum and the coccyx. And next is sacral tuberous ligament, and this ligament connects ischial tuberosity and the sacrum, and it is also laterally projected from sacrum and the coccyx. This ligament is also laterally projected from the sacrum and the coccyx. Now what is sacrotuberous ligament? This ligament is called sacrotuberous ligament and it connects sacrum and the ischial tuberosity, and it is laterally projected from the sacrum and the coccyx. And the next one is symphysis pubis ligament, and this ligament is present in between 2 pubic bone. This joint is called as symphysis pubis joint, and this ligament is also called as symphysis pubis ligament. Sacrococcygeal ligament, and this ligament is present in between sacrum and the coccyx. This ligament connects sacrum and the coccyx. What are the ligaments? Sacroiliac ligament, sacrospinous ligament, sacrotuberous ligament, symphysis pubis ligament, sacrococcygeal ligament. These are the ligaments that is present in the pelvic. I will provide questions after completing this whole chapter. That's it for today guys. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.